There are so many amazing homes here in the mountains, and you may be thinking, well, I could definitely just find a fixer-upper and make it my own, and that can be a really great choice. So a couple things to know when you're thinking about renovating a home here in the mountains. First and foremost, you need to work with a reputable vendor. There are a lot of vendors here in the area, and not all are created equal, so reach out to us and we're happy to provide you a great list. After that, you're going to need to think about the timing. Many vendors, especially good vendors, are going to be booked out quite a ways. The average remodel is probably going to take you somewhere in the range of 3 to 6 months if you're thinking about bathrooms, kitchen, flooring, things like that. Obviously, the smaller projects can generally be done a little bit faster, but if you're going so far as to think about an addition, you may be talking up to a year potentially to get that work done. Another thing that's really important to consider here in the mountains is the cost. A lot of times in metropolitan areas, costs for remodeling are going to be quite a bit less. Up here in the mountains, I usually tell everybody, whatever you're thinking it's going to cost at home, double it up here. That's just kind of normal because the cost of labor is much higher. The cost to get materials to the mountains is much higher. So all of those things need to be planned for and accounted for when you're doing your budget. Now, despite all of that, it can still be an amazing way to go. And renovations often are better options than even new construction when it comes to cost, because some of the major things are taken care of already, such as the footprint, the framing, the foundation. If those things aren't changing, renovations can definitely be very cost effective to make your home your own. In the mountains, when you're building new construction, you need to think about not only the cost of the land, the cost of the utility hookups, but also the actual price per square foot. Again, double what you're probably thinking at home. Most of our builders, as of 2025, are saying that the average building cost is somewhere between about $600 to $1,000 a square foot. So renovations can be substantially less, and again, those can be anywhere from $100 to maybe $300 a square foot. So definitely good options when you're considering homes, and renovations or new construction is a great way to make a home your own.